Hello, hi everyone. This is Limbu, and today I'm going to show you how to do recharge from jioposlite application. So first of all, click on jioposlite application. After clicking, it will look like this, and click on recharge first option. And here you enter the mobile number of the customers for which mobile number you want to do recharge. So click on proceed. It will take time to load, and here you see the plan for 2.5 GB, 3 GB, 1 GB, 2 GB, 1.5 GB. Let me recharge 1.5 GB per day for 14 days, 119. Click buy, and here you finally click your enter your pin number and proceed it. But I will not recharge here right now. Just I want to show you for that reason I'm processing up to here. In your case, if you want to recharge, you click proceed, but I will cancel here. Just I'm making video to in order to show you. Hope you guys you have understand the process to recharge from jioposlite, and hope you guys you have enjoyed this video, and kindly do subscribe my videos, and share my video as much as you can. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.